Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the theme of transforming negativity, a journey to emotional resilience. This presentation will guide you through understanding how we can shift our perspective on negativity and use it as a stepping stone towards building emotional strength. Life often presents us with challenges that can feel overwhelming, but by adopting a resilient mindset, we can navigate these difficulties more effectively. The image on the slide symbolizes the process of taking broken pieces, the negativity we experience, and reassembling them into a new, more positive framework. Throughout our discussion, we will cover strategies for reframing negative thoughts, cultivating self-compassion, and developing coping mechanisms that empower us to emerge stronger from setbacks. By the end of this presentation, I hope you will feel inspired to take actionable steps on your own journey towards emotional resilience. Let's dive deeper into how we can transform negativity into a powerful tool for personal growth. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions are a natural part of our human experience, but understanding them is crucial to managing their impact on our lives. First, we'll explore what these negative aspects entail, highlighting their origins and effects. Then, we'll dive into cognitive distortions, which are the mental patterns that can exaggerate negativity and lead to unhelpful thinking. Recognizing these distortions is the first step toward reframing our thoughts. Finally, we will discuss effective techniques for managing negative thoughts, providing practical strategies that you can incorporate into your daily routine. These techniques will empower you to shift your mindset and cultivate a more positive outlook. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to identify and manage negativity in a constructive way, setting the stage for a healthier emotional landscape. Negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions are universal experiences that can shape our daily lives and overall well-being. Consider how often we find ourselves trapped in a cycle of self-doubt or overwhelming sadness. These negative experiences can stem from various sources, including stress, anxiety, or past traumas. The critical aspect of understanding these feelings is recognizing their impact and learning how to manage them effectively. It's essential to acknowledge that negative emotions are not inherently bad. They can serve as signals highlighting areas in our lives that need attention or change. Through awareness and practice, we can develop strategies to shift our mindset, reframe our thoughts, and foster resilience. By understanding the interplay between thoughts, feelings, and emotions, we can cultivate a more positive outlook, enabling us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. As we move forward, let's explore practical methods to overcome negativity and leverage our emotional experiences for personal growth. Negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions often arise automatically in our minds, creating irrational beliefs that can lead to profound feelings of inadequacy. These thoughts usually stem from our perceptions of threats or failures, resulting in negative feelings that can significantly impact our overall mood. Common negative emotions such as anger, sadness, and anxiety can disrupt not only our daily functioning, but also our relationships with others. It's essential to recognize that these negative experiences frequently link back to past traumas, stressors, or cognitive distortions that skew our perception. Understanding the nuances of these concepts is crucial for developing effective strategies to manage and ultimately overcome them, enabling us to foster healthier mindsets and emotional stability. Stressful life events, such as loss, trauma, or significant changes, can set off a cascade of negative emotions, impacting our daily lives. Often, we contribute to these feelings through negative self-talk and cognitive distortions, leading to a persistent sense of inadequacy and hopelessness. Additionally, our surroundings play a crucial role. Toxic relationships and unhealthy work environments can intensify negative thoughts and feelings. Biological factors, too, cannot be overlooked, as hormonal imbalances or mental health disorders can strongly influence our emotional states. Understanding these common causes is the first step in navigating and overcoming negative thoughts and emotions. Negative thoughts have a profound impact on mental health, often leading to increased anxiety and depression. When negative feelings become persistent, they can disrupt relationships and social interactions, making it challenging to connect with others. Additionally, the emotional distress caused by these thoughts can manifest physically, leading to issues such as fatigue and insomnia. Understanding the relationship between negative thinking and these mental and physical health concerns is essential for developing effective coping strategies that can help mitigate their effects and promote overall well-being. Recognizing these impacts enables us to take actionable steps toward fostering a healthier mindset. Cognitive distortions are often like distorted reflections in a funhouse mirror, altering our perceptions of reality and affecting how we feel and act. These are patterns of thought that can lead us to interpret situations in negative or unrealistic ways. Common types of cognitive distortions include all or nothing thinking, where we see things as black or white, and overgeneralization, where a single negative experience becomes a broad pattern of failure. By identifying these distortions, we can begin to challenge and change them, transforming unhelpful thoughts into more balanced and realistic perspectives. This shift does not eliminate challenges, but equips us to approach them with resilience and clarity, ultimately guiding us toward a healthier mindset and outlook on life. Recognizing and understanding these distortions is the first step in the journey to overcoming negative thinking. Cognitive distortions are irrational thought patterns that can negatively influence our emotions and behaviors. They often create a skewed perception of reality, causing individuals to misinterpret situations in ways that can lead to unnecessary distress. For example, common types of cognitive distortions include all or nothing thinking, where one views situations in black and white terms, overgeneralization, which involves making broad conclusions based on a single event, and catastrophizing, where one assumes the worst possible outcome. Recognizing these distortions is crucial because it's the first step in challenging and ultimately changing them, allowing for a healthier, more balanced perspective. Cognitive distortions are common thinking patterns that can negatively impact our emotions and behaviors. First, consider all or nothing thinking, where situations are viewed in black and white terms, leaving no room for nuance or middle ground. This rigid mindset can lead to intense feelings of failure or success, but often fails to reflect reality. Next, we have overgeneralization. This happens when someone makes broad conclusions based on a single event or piece of evidence, such as believing that one failure means they will always fail. Another distortion is the mental filter, where individuals focus solely on the negatives of any situation, filtering out any positives, which can be quite detrimental to overall well-being. Discounting the positive is similar. It involves rejecting any positive experiences, insisting they don't count, which further skews our perception of reality. Lastly, jumping to conclusions is a common distortion, where people make assumptions without sufficient evidence. This can often lead to unnecessary anxiety and stress. Recognizing these distortions is the first step toward overcoming them and nurturing a healthier, more balanced mindset. Cognitive distortions significantly impact mental health, often leading to heightened anxiety and depression. These distorted beliefs create a negative feedback loop that reinforces harmful thought patterns, trapping individuals in cycles of negativity. Such distorted thinking can severely impair decision-making and problem-solving abilities, making challenges feel insurmountable. However, the first vital step toward change is recognizing these patterns. By identifying and addressing cognitive distortions, individuals can begin to break free from these harmful cycles and cultivate a healthier mindset. Picture yourself in a moment of struggle, perhaps overwhelmed by thoughts spiraling out of control. This is where techniques for managing negative thoughts become essential. One effective method is journaling. Writing down your feelings and thoughts can serve as a powerful release, allowing you to process and clarify what's going on internally. By documenting these feelings, you can identify patterns and triggers, which helps in shifting your perspective. Another approach is cognitive restructuring, where you challenge and reframe negative thoughts into more balanced, realistic ones. This technique emphasizes recognizing distortions in thinking and replacing them with constructive alternatives. Mindfulness is also pivotal. Practicing present moment awareness can help you detach from negative thought cycles, fostering a more peaceful state of mind. Breathing exercises can further anchor you in the here and now, reducing anxiety and creating space for positive thoughts. As you explore these techniques, remember that consistency is key. The more you practice, the more effective they become. Adopting these strategies can significantly enhance your mental well-being and empower you to take control of your thoughts. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, employs several strategies to help individuals manage their thoughts and emotions effectively. The first step is to identify and challenge negative thought patterns that may arise, which allows for greater self-awareness and a shift toward more positive thinking. Then, practicing cognitive restructuring enables individuals to reframe their thoughts, transforming negative beliefs into more constructive ones. Another key strategy is behavioral activation, which encourages engagement in positive activities that can enhance mood and motivation. Gradual exposure techniques are also utilized to confront fears, helping individuals face their anxieties in a controlled manner. Finally, maintaining a thought diary is an essential tool for tracking and analyzing emotions, providing insight into patterns that can be addressed through these therapeutic approaches. By integrating these strategies, individuals can develop healthier thought processes and improve their overall emotional well-being. Mindfulness practices are essential for enhancing our well-being. At its core, mindfulness means being fully present in the moment without any judgment. This practice can significantly reduce levels of stress and anxiety, making it a valuable tool for mental health. There are several techniques to cultivate mindfulness, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and body scans, which help in grounding ourselves and connecting with our experiences. Engaging regularly in mindfulness not only supports emotional regulation, but also fosters resilience, enabling us to navigate life's challenges more effectively. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can become more aware, centered, and capable of handling stressors with greater ease. Journaling serves as a powerful tool for emotional processing, offering a safe space to clarify thoughts and feelings. When you engage in regular writing, it becomes easier to identify patterns in your emotions, which can help in understanding what triggers various responses. This practice also facilitates reflection, allowing you to track your emotional growth over time. Moreover, journaling can significantly reduce stress by providing an outlet for pent-up emotions and anxieties. The simple act of putting pen to paper can lead to profound insights and much-needed relief. Thank you for listening, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel.